Good morning, everybody. Today we are brush hogging a couple fields. I've already got one done and I started on this one. I got that one done and started this one because I've never been here before. It kind of takes a lot of focus to make sure you don't hit anything that you don't want to be hitting. But this is going to be the 2024 hayfield. It's sort of like a lease or whatnot. I'll take you for a walk in the middle of the field, see what we got to work with. We got a big field full of goldenrod, and I don't want that. Obviously, that does not make good hay, but I brush hogged here, and you can see underneath of that, there's actually grasses under here. There's not a whole lot of grasses, but there is grasses under here. So if I keep brush hogging in this like I did at my house, if I keep brush hogging it, it'll stun out the weeds, and grass should be able to grow on top of that, and maybe this might actually turn into a good hayfield in 2024. We shall see. But let's talk and let's get back at it with the old case 430, running like a champ. I'm finishing up the outer perimeter here. This is the outer wall edge. So that's pretty much as far over as I'm going to go to the trees there. And then I'm rocking a Case 430 diesel with a 188 Case diesel engine and a 6-foot King Cutter brush hog. It's got the special flotation hitch, which actually works pretty damn well. I got the front loader that we're not using today, but it's there and it works real good. Built that a couple months ago, actually, with the help of a couple friends. My 4-way hydraulic valve. And works great. So it's like 45 degrees out today, but it's actually comfortable just in a hoodie because I got all the tractor heat blowing on me, and it's keeping me warm. I was just chilly, and now that I started this up, I felt the heat, and I just had to bring it up. So we had a little bit of hiccup last time, yesterday. Today is day 2. Brush hogging this field. As you can see, there's a little bit of a problem. I might have to grease up this shaft. It's not supposed to be this stiff. So I think it's this 7/16 bolt. They didn't have any shear pins there. There's supposed to be a shear pin in here. They didn't even have any grade 3 bolts. That's what it is. So I grabbed this grade 5. All Tractor Supply had. I'll order some shear pins. I might actually put a slip cut clutch on this. But I don't really ever brush hog anything heavy like this. So I think I hit a stump or something, or a log. So I got my multi-purpose vice grip hammers. Hopefully this will be enough to get this going so I can finish up, get back home so I can feed the horses with the tractor. All set. is just about a wrap. I'm freezing my tushy off. But between this here and this over here, I haven't finished all that yet, but this is about 6 acres. And this case did a damn good job. Sure did good. Didn't use a whole lot of fuel on that 6 acres. And then we go past through here. There's another field back there that's also another 6 acres. We'll brush hog, probably in the springtime. It's getting too cold for me to be running this. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more, because next year this is going to be a hay field. Hopefully it's going to be decent enough to be haying and make for goat hay or bedding hay. And then the following year, 2025, should actually produce pretty nice stuff after I fertilize it.